Hey friends. Okay, real talk for a second. You ever felt like stepping away from the job meant you failed? Like if you need a break, mentally, emotionally, or physically, it meant you weren't cut out for it. So let's be clear. It's not quitting, it's rebuilding. And learning the difference between the two, that shift in mindset, can save your life. In the next few minutes, I want to help you drop the shame, recognize the signs, and start rebuilding with purpose, not in silence. I've been there. After years in corrections, after losing people I loved, after breaking under pressure, I believed that lie, that taking a step back meant I was done. But it was in that pause, that breath, that quiet space is where I found my strength again. And now I help first responders like you rebuild. And it starts from the inside out. So let's get a little tactical. Understand the difference between quitting and rebuilding. Quitting says, I give up. Rebuilding says, I need space to come back stronger. One is rooted in shame. The other is grounded in strategy. You want to recognize the burnout signals. You're not just tired. My friends, you're empty. You're numb. You're short-tempered. You're disconnected. Sleep's off. Relationships are strained. And you don't really recognize yourself anymore. My friends, your identity is not your uniform. The badge is what you wear. It's not who you are. Taking it off for a day, a month, or even a year doesn't erase your value. In fact, stepping out of the role may be the first time you truly meet yourself again. Let me ask you a question straight up. Have you ever felt guilty for needing a break? Drop a yes or no in the comments and be honest, because I guarantee you're not the only one. Now, what rebuilding will look like? Rebuilding, it's an act of strength. It takes courage to say, I need healing. Rebuilding isn't stepping away forever. It's creating a comeback plan on your terms. That's leadership. That's growth. And my friends, you're not alone. You're just early in the process. Thousands of first responders are walking the same path. You just might not hear about it. And the strongest ones, they're the ones who are starting being honest first. You don't need a full plan. This is what I'm going to do. This is how I'm going to do it. You just need that first step. You need that first step. Now, if that message hit home and you're ready to start feeling stuck, to invite you, grab my free guide. Understand your PTSD, because it's going to break down what's happening in your brain, how to calm your nervous system, and it's going to give you those tools to rebuild without guilt. Yes, you'll find the link nearby. So whether it's in the caption, comments, video description, or the file section of our private Facebook group, you will find it. Absolutely no cost, and it never will be. And my friends, if this helped you reframe what stepping back really means, give it a like, drop a comment, share it with someone, give it a thumbs up, whatever it is. Let me know that these are working so that I can continue to build more videos that are going to help you move into that next phase of your recovery journey.